Hi mommies and daddies, welcome back to Momcom India. So today we are talking about a very important activity, or if I could say exercise, for our newborn babies, which is known as tummy time. Yes, you heard me right. Even newborn babies get to exercise because it's very important for their development, especially physical development. So let's get into the details of this video.
To watch all the videos on this channel, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get regular updates from Momcom India. Let's become a big fat family soon.
So let's start with what is tummy time. Like the name suggests, it's an activity where you place your baby on his or her tummy at a time when they are awake. The second question is, what is the benefit of doing this activity? There are multiple benefits that you will see if you do this activity on a regular basis. In fact, multiple times in a day. Benefits like muscle development. It helps the child to build their muscles, especially their shoulder muscles, their arm muscles, their back muscles. All of those get strength. The second is it provides a lot of support to the back. Like we all know that our newborn babies are lying on their back for most part of their day, because initial months most of the time they are sleeping. So it's a good activity to give some rest to their back and strengthen their back muscle. Number 3 is neck control. A lot of parents want their babies to quickly get a hang of their neck so that they can start looking around and explore this nice, beautiful world. So this activity definitely helps the child do that, because when you place the child on the tummy, they will make efforts to slowly start pulling up their neck, which is when they will start gaining neck control. The next benefit is that it helps avoid flat head. Like I said, that initial months the babies spend a lot of time just lying on their back and sleeping. So there is a very high probability of the babies developing a flat head, especially if they are sleeping in one position only. So when you place the babies on the tummy, their head also gets a break, gets some rest, and this ways you can avoid flat head. Apart from this, it helps them relieve gas. So when you put them on their tummy, any bloating that they have or any gas that's building up, they are able to release that also. So tummy time is one of the remedies for providing gas relief to your children. The next benefit is it also helps them reach one of the most important development milestones, which is rolling over. So once they start raising their neck, get more strength in their muscles, they also start rolling over, which is a very fun activity and which is actually a first development milestone for them. And lastly, they also start responding. So tummy time is an activity which has to be done in your supervision when the child is awake, and it's generally an activity which you should do by engaging the child, either by talking or singing or by using rattles or interesting toys or something that the child relates to or finds interesting. So that ways, when you move the interesting things from one side to the other side, the child also starts taking a note of that and slowly will start responding. Will start responding to sounds, will start responding to toys, pictures, whatever you use during this activity with the baby, they'll start responding, which is a great development milestone for them. I'm sure these benefits are compelling enough for you to do this activity for your babies. Now let's get into some more details about it. The next question that is generally asked is that when should you start giving tummy time to your baby? You can immediately start doing this as soon as the umbilical cord falls off. So that's a good time to start giving tummy time to your babies. The next question is that how much tummy time should be given in a day? So when you start with especially newborn babies, you will do it for very, very less time. It could be 30 seconds, it could be a minute. It also depends on the child's comfort. Some children get very uncomfortable, but slowly and gradually they get used to it. Don't give up, have patience. Initially you will start very, very slow, but over a period of time, your child and you also will get used to it. So start slow with your baby, but try to do it multiple times in the day. The next question is, where should it be done? So tummy time should generally be done on a flat surface. You can lay a nice thick mat on the floor, or maybe a hard bed that you have for your baby, and you can place your baby there, and that's a good place to do the activity. The next question is that when should I give tummy time to my baby? So this is a very important one. Tummy time should only be given when your child is absolutely awake. You don't want to give tummy time to your baby when they are sleeping, because just in in case they are not supervised and their nose gets blocked or their breathing gets blocked, it can be very, very dangerous. So tummy time should be given only when they are awake and under your supervision. You cannot leave their side when you are giving them tummy time. The next question is, for how long should I be doing this activity? So you can do this activity till the time your child does not start rolling over. Once they start rolling over, which will be about 3, 4, 5 months, it's different for every baby, they themselves would roll over and give themselves tummy time, so they would be able to do it themselves. The last question is that how can I make tummy time enjoyable for my baby? So like I had touched upon it before, you could do it by whatever activity you and your baby enjoy a lot. It could be talking to your baby, it could be engaging them with toys, with pictures, with objects, with rattles, it could be anything. Basically, you just have to constantly engage your baby during this activity. If you are sitting right in front of your baby and your baby is lying on the tummy in front of you, and you're talking to them, for example, or using rattles, then your baby will get compelled to start looking at you or start raising their neck, start responding to different sounds or different noises if you move the rattle from one corner of the room to the other. So these are different activities that you could do that will be very compelling for the baby to start looking up and get a lot of strength in their muscles. So this was about it. It is a very, very important activity. A lot of parents tell us that there's a lot of delay in the child rolling over, or there's a lot of delay in the child getting neck control, and this is one short solution that we generally share with parents, because this is what we've also learned, and it's a great activity. Initially, even if you face resistance, just keep going and your child will soon start loving it. Do this activity when you're changing the diaper. That's a good time to lay the baby on the stomach, or any time you feel that your child is in a good mood, and it will be a fun activity for them. So hope you did like this short but very important video. If you've not started this activity yet, please go ahead and start that immediately, and you will see a lot of difference in how your child is developing. So with that said, I hope you did like the video. If you did, please click on the like button. Do comment and let us know how's your experience with Momcom India been. What are your other questions? Please share it with as many friends as you can, and definitely subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red button below and hitting the bell icon, which is very important. Otherwise, you will not get timely notifications of the videos that we post. With that said, we will see you very, very soon. Thank you for watching Momcom India.